BabyTales.
Hello, Pokemon trainers and budding artists. Today, we've got a special treat. We're going to draw and color the iconic Pikachu. Let's start by sketching the basic shape of Pikachu. Begin with the head, those adorable round cheeks, and don't forget the pointy ears. Pikachu's proportions give it that lovable charm, so take your time with the sketch. Now, let's add the details that make Pikachu who he is. Draw those big, expressive eyes, the lightning bolt-shaped tail, and, of course, those rosy cheeks. Pikachu wouldn't be complete without them. Time to add some color to our electric friend. Pikachu's fur is a bright yellow, and those rosy cheeks just add to the cuteness. Don't forget to color in those eyes. Pikachu's gaze is always full of energy. Remember, this is your Pikachu. Feel free to add your own creative touches. Maybe Pikachu is in a field of flowers or surrounded by other Pokemon. Let your imagination run wild. And there you have it, your very own Pikachu. We've turned our paper into a canvas for Pokemon magic. I hope you enjoyed drawing and coloring Pikachu today. It's always a blast bringing these characters to life on paper. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more fun and creative art tutorials. Until next time, happy drawing, happy coloring, and may your Pokemon journey be full of artistic adventures.